Namaste. Welcome to Hema Foundation. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. But if health is lost, everything else is lost. We have all grown up hearing this from our parents. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Any change from the normal state that causes discomfort or disability or impairs the health is called disease. Diseases can be caused due to various factors, and therefore it becomes very important to analyze and study them. The understanding of the cause and remedies and our actions teach us various life skills which help us overcome these diseases. Health is wealth is an adage we all have heard at some point in time. It is a very relevant statement for all times to come. If we have health, then we can enjoy all other things in life. The word disease can be broken up into two words. This is, that is, when a body or mind is not at ease due to some ailment or the other. With the advancement in science, we have learned that diseases can be of various types, like infectious, non-infectious diseases, acute, that is short-term, and chronic, that is long-term diseases, viral or bacterial diseases, etc. In the course of studying this chapter, we will learn about differences, diseases, and their causes, how they spread, principles of prevention and treatment. Our recent experience with the worldwide pandemic has taught us how a small virus can bring the whole world to a standstill, affecting our economies, lives, and so on. The best way to keep ourselves healthy would be to keep hygienic habits, have safe and good health practices, prevent infectious diseases, take up immunization drives, and of course, last but not the least, take medical help when we do fall sick. Prevention is better than cure, as the adage goes. That sets the tone to encourage the children through activities which will help them lead a healthy, happy life. A strong and healthy young generation will ensure a strong and growing nation. Cleanliness and hygiene are two important values, the importance of which is experienced before. As children, you can prepare your own health report card, which will contain details of the diseases you have suffered in the past and understand the diseases, the reason for the same, a clear picture of how unhygienic habits and lack of cleanliness can cause diseases. All these will emerge in front of you. This activity of identifying infectious and acute diseases suffered and the analysis of the cause can make you understand the importance of maintaining health and hygiene and living a balanced life with balanced eating habits and living style. Now you will answer the following questions. Thank you.